This table shows a proportional relationship between the grams of peanuts and raisins in a bag of trail mix. Enter the number of grams of peanuts in a bag for every 1 gram of raisins. So the amount we don't know is the number of grams of peanuts. That's what we're being asked for. And they want to know that amount per 1 gram of raisins. So anytime we have a problem where they're comparing two quantities, hey, it's for 14 grams of peanuts, there's 4 grams of raisins. How many grams of peanuts will you have for 1 gram of raisins? This is a unit rate type of problem. So I'm going to label the one we don't know as DV, or dependent variable, and the one that our input is given for, our 1 gram of raisins, that's going to be our independent variable. And I'm going to take a moment and just define the units that we're going to be using and make sure I keep with this order. So our DV, that's the grams of peanuts. And our IV is going to be the grams of raisins. And I can just choose any of these amounts. Because there's going to be a proportional relationship, I can just choose any amount that's easy for me. So I'm going to go with this first pair here. And it's 14 grams of peanuts. Now, very, very important to keep the order the same. I've already identified that it's peanuts over raisins. So when I go to scale down my ratio, right, I need to keep that order the same. It's going to be 14 grams of peanuts on top over 4 grams of raisins. 4 grams of raisins. And they want to know how many grams of peanuts for 1 gram of raisins. So what can I do to scale this relationship so that it's 1 gram of raisins instead of 4? Well, I can just divide both the top and the bottom by 4. Four divided by 4 is 1. 1 gram of raisins. Then 14 divided by 4. You're going to need to do some long division for that. 14 divided by 4. Just write that right here. 14 by 4 grams of peanuts. And I'm going to solve that. It's 14 inside the house. 14 divided by 4. 4 does not go into 1, so we'll go to the next digit. 4 goes into 14 3 times. 3 times 4 is 12. We're going to go in decimal world now. So there's a decimal right after this 14, because 14 is the same as 14.0. Subtract this. 4 does not go into 2, so we'll bring down to 0. And 4 goes into 25 times. So it's going to be 3.5. 14 divided by 4 is 3.5 grams of peanuts per 1 gram of raisins.